past coincidence, and we finally here, and I really hate screaming in your ear. So fuck up the time, okay? I waited today. Hello, this is Colin Joe from a couple of days ago. You sound tired. Forgive me if I called you too late. But was the time I let my stay? What did I mean? This is when I'm telling you, got used to skin. You're more than welcome. What are you trying to say? I just want to be. There's no need for times when you and me. Those are limitations. Living under our only obligations. Quality, honesty, independence, intelligence, emotion, and devotion. I'm just seeking to hear God when He's speaking. At one time, my mind just couldn't conceive. I wanted to dress a certain way to believe. But in the same breath, allow me to say that if you believe, young lady, you wouldn't stress that way. And I was attracted to your class. I couldn't see all your ass. And I was very content. You deserved a compliment. Now, remember how indifferences make up the same. You gotta have a game or you ain't gonna be able to take care of yourself. I love what I picture. I see your reflection. So offer my love, affection, and protection. Charlie, you dead fine, but the bottom line is, you still my sister. Say you're mine, baby, you're my hand, you're my sister, Lord, you're mine. You're not a burden, yes, you're beautiful, say my thank you, girl, if they ever know you, I hope that you understand, you got to respect yourself.
I met you when y'all knew. Saw you again on Marietta, downtown Atlanta, checking your long legs. Got me smirking, fixed me dinner one night. Candles lit, kinda thought you was slick in the beginning, but it turned out you wasn't hot. Looked me in my eye, I listened, sucked it up, pushed on, we made amends, both sides click, true friends. Since then, years have gone by, brought a baby girl into this world, made up every trap folks. I was going dope, look at you, me, when she got put out on the curb, closer than the skin, on the back of my hand, through the thick and thin, we can win, so won't last chance.
Thinking of my sister, Lord, and me, Lord, you're not a burden, yes, you're beautiful, say my thank you, girl, if I know you, I hope that you understand, you got to respect yourself.
With the music loud, while styles cold, but on a scale of 1 to 10, with 12, I chose up over jail and hell, originally from A.
Cause our souls come together on the back level to discuss this trust amongst the so-called good in every man. How I wish this was true, I deal with facts on that, open and come back, while I sing the blues with there's only one God that watches over our every step. I need His help when I'm walking, looking for the right female. I can't tell sometimes, they tell me the doctor's coming home in the approach. Spontaneous with the game, he crossed the naive, a girl falling from the okay. Let the pistol smoke to what we live by, die by. Is that what our relationships can be?
I rolled the dice, taking a chance, they crapping out like the devil. I lost one of my best skills, natural thick lips, no animal fat implants, white low. This morning working at the airport, 19 years old, work for weight and gold. It was all my fault, so don't cry, I will stand. If down the line I want you back in the land, and you will just promise me the rise of your man. It's my some business, hope she found what I was looking for, like a dream on my end. I wanted to be more than friends, beautiful black skin.